What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Thursday. So today I am gonna add up all my dividends from my first week and second week plays to show you guys what I've received so far. Now that I have all my second week plays, all the dividends are basically been paid or are gonna be paid out in the next couple of days. I officially have MSTY and Coney dividends, which I'm gonna share with you guys today, and they are gonna be paid out later tonight on Robinhood. So we already got my first week. Obviously, I got in too late on JEPQ and on AGNC. So AGNC and JEPQ are not going to be included in this video. All the other ones will be. So I already got SPY T dividends, IWNY, JEPI, ADC, all the REITs, and MSTY and Coney. So with MSTY, Misty, well, let's show you guys how the portfolio looks like for today. Obviously, yesterday's video, it was pretty bad. Looks like today it looks a little better, up 1,485 and 41 cents, up 3% for the day. And obviously every day I'm dollar cost averaging and buying some more shares of all these plays, even if it's just fractional shares. I always say buying fractionals is definitely better than buying nothing, but everyone has their different opinions. Keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing into any stock or cryptocurrency. So now I'm going to show you guys my MSTY and Coney dividends, and we'll add everything up with first week and second week now that we are officially over with the first week and second week plays I have. And then we're going to focus on third week and fourth week plays. So MSTY, I am going to be receiving $460.51, and that was for 237 shares at $1.94. So right now I have 200, still around 237. I got more fractional shares now because I've dollar cost averaged throughout the day. I'll probably buy more as I keep getting paid in dividends and when I get my paycheck here and there. And we'll slowly try to bring that average cost down. I personally feel that's the best thing you can really do with these plays is to try to bring that average cost down and pick up more shares at a cheaper price. So it looked like it did pretty good today, up $1.82 for the day. Coney as well looked pretty good at up 94 cents for the day, up 6%. And I got 341 shares. I'm down $2,000. That's pretty bad with this play. But as far as the dividend goes, that was 341 shares, $1.01 per share. I thought it was just $1, but whatever. I don't know. Robinhood is putting here $1.01, and I got $343.81. So now that we got that out of the way, let's add everything up for first week and second week. All right, so let's go to dividends and individual investing. Okay, so we got SPY T, which is 86 cents. IWNY is $543.79. And then we got JEPI, which paid a quarter. SGOV paid $4.19. And those are basically my first week plays. SGOV as well. MSTY, we know we're getting paid $460.51. And then we got Coney paying $343.81. $343.81. And then we got the REITs. ADC is paying me 12 cents. Stag Industrial is paying me 14 cents. Realty Income is paying me $16.65. And then we got PSCC, which is paying me $1.36. So leaving me a grand total so far in August with first week and second week plays combined at $1,371.68. So if we go over last month's dividends, which were a grand total of $2,230, if we do the math here, $2,230.14. That means, and we minus 1,371 and 68 cents. That means I'm gonna need $858.46 to at least match that dividend total from last month, or I'm gonna need to make more than this to beat the dividends for July. Obviously, the fact that I already made $1,371 is pretty decent. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, for 1 month in dividends, making that much is pretty cool, in my opinion at least. I know a lot of people are like, yeah, but you're down in the plays. That is true, but like I've said in many of my other videos, the yield max funds, the defines funds are mainly for income. So that's the way I see it. Others might try to prove me wrong, and that's fine. If they see it another way, then stay away from those plays. I'm doing it for income purposes, and you know, I like building up dividends each and every single month. I like adding new plays to the portfolio. I like building up my other plays, and I like playing with margin now. I feel like now that I could play with margin, the dividend basically pays off the margin, and I'm just picking up more shares throughout the day, each and every single day. And you know, the dividends just keep rolling in each and every single month. I'm staying away from playing with a lot of margin, and I'm also adding safer plays. Like I've said, I have the VOO, I got some REITs, and I got some more dividend plays like SCHD. You know, we got other plays like Gain and Gladstone Investment, PSEC, and JEPI and JEPQ, which are more stable funds as well. So, I mean, a little bit of everything, which I like. And I feel like that's the best way to invest. You got income, you got growth, you got stable funds. I mean, you could go all out. Some people like to go all growth. Some people like dividends. I like a little bit of everything. So that's my plan. And the dividends are there. I mean, if I got to use them for an emergency, I mean, I know I'm going to receive them every month. And there might be some months where I don't reinvest the dividends. I might just take the money out and use it for something I need to pay off, or something I need the money for, you know, and then the next month I'll get dividends again. So, I mean, that's the way I see it. Some other people might not see it that way, but everyone thinks differently. Everyone invests differently, and I don't like to judge. I just like what I'm seeing so far. But, you know, either way, these are risky, and we still got to wait to see how they play out in the long term. So, like I said, 1,368 cents in dividends so far. And we'll see what third week plays pay out. Remember, third week, I already actually have the third week play PSCC paying me $1.36, and that was at 22 shares. So right now I have more shares. I got 29 shares. So next month's dividend will be probably a couple of cents higher. It might even break $2 if I buy more. So right now I'm trying to take advantage now that this play is down. Also, YMAX and YMAG, we're going to have to wait and see what they pay out. They might not pay out a great dividend because all the other yield max funds didn't do so great. In my opinion, they didn't pay out as much as a lot of people expected. I would not be surprised to see YMAX and YMAG pay lower than last month. So like I said, I might not even break my total amount of dividends from the month of July. It might be lower this month. And that's the thing with these yield max dividends. They fluctuate every single month, so it could be lower this month, it could be higher next month. It all depends on how the underlying asset is doing. So we're gonna have to wait and see. And that's basically it, guys. So we got the third week, and then we still got fourth week that are gonna pay out, and we'll see what we end up in total for the month of August. But right now, I could tell you $800 in dividends from all these other plays that I have left off. I don't think I'm gonna hit that. I might be slightly close, maybe a couple, maybe $200-300 short in my opinion, but we will wait to see. Clip hasn't been doing great. Clip has been doing pretty bad the last couple months, and my average cost is still pretty high. And the best thing I could really do with Clip is just dollar cost average now that it's at a cheaper price and trying to bring that average cost down. I wouldn't be surprised if this does a reverse split with Clip. FEPI DIVO has been probably the best one in my fourth week. I'm only down 93 cents. Gladstone investment, I'm down 15 bucks. And you know, these are risky plays. Like I said, mainly the yield max ones and the Defiance and Crane shares. So do your research. If you guys are okay with being in the negatives in total returns, if you guys like income dividends each and every single week, like I do, then these are great. If you guys don't like that, then just invest in growth stocks, and that's totally okay. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You can follow me on Instagram, on TikTok. Like the video, leave me your comments below. If you want to sign up for Robinhood, check out my link down below. I appreciate all of you for tuning in today. And obviously, I know I try to make a video a day. Tomorrow and on the weekend and Monday, I will be away for the next couple of days, so I probably won't make a video. If I do, I'll try to update you guys on how everything is looking. So yeah, guys, I appreciate all of you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.